extensor muscles that are found in the forearm. So here we see number 20. Number 20 comes from the lateral epicondyle and wraps around into the radius. This is the big muscle that we call the brachioradialis. So brachioradialis, you can kind of feel and see as you kind of move your arm up in that way. You should see that muscle kind of move over there. That's the brachioradialis. Next to that, you see number 19 and 18. Right? Number 19 is a little bit longer, and it inserts in the radius as well. This is the extensor carpi radialis longus, number 19. Number 18, extensor carpi radialis brevis. Now the hardest muscle to actually kind of memorize, I've heard, are these two, 23 and 22. Right? Now with 23 and 22, you just got to remember the saying, A before E. So 23 is the abductor pollicis longus, A. Right? And then number 22 is extensor. That's the E part. Right? Extensor pollicis brevis. Right? The abductor, 23, abductor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis. Both goes to the pollex, or your big thumb right here, right? Or your thumb. Now, you do see number 21 right here as well. Now, that is the tendon of the extensor pollicis longus. Right? You don't see the muscle group itself. It's deep here in the extensor digitorum, deep to it. So all we see is the actual tendon, which we don't need to know. Now the other muscles we see, right, number 17, follow the path. It comes from the lateral epicondyle, and it goes into the digits. This is your extensor digitorum muscles, right? Now, if you look real closely, you see this muscle that has no number to it. If you follow it all the way down, you see it goes to your little finger, right? This muscle that has no number, it goes to your little finger, is your extensor digiti minimi. The last muscle we'll see is this muscle that is number 16. All right, this is the ulnar side, is medial. This is your extensor carpi ulnaris. And notice your extensor ulnaris is close, is immediately adjacent to your flexor carpi ulnaris. As we follow both of these up, there's a muscle that kind of goes across and diagonal. This is your anconeus muscle.